Imagine you're driving a high-performance race car on a long track. To win the race, you don't keep the engine running at full speed without a brake, nor do you park the car in a dusty garage and walk away. When the track conditions ahead are uncertain, you pull into the pit stop. Your engine stays warm. Your mechanics can adjust the tires, and you are ready to zoom back onto the track the moment the green flag waves. A pit stop is simply a temporary stop where the car is serviced and prepared before continuing the race. In the financial world, you need a similar pit stop for your money. That pit stop is often called a liquid fund. Welcome to Daily Tip #9. Many investors periodically find themselves holding surplus cash while deciding what to do next. But leaving the money idle in a savings account may not always be the most efficient option. This is where liquid funds come into play. Let's break down what they are in simple terms. Liquid funds. These are a category of debt mutual funds that invest in high quality, short-term government and corporate debt instruments that mature in less than 91 days. Liquidity. This simply means how quickly you can convert an investment back into cash. Liquid funds offer high liquidity, and redemption proceeds are generally available within one working day, subject to fund and banking processes. In short, a liquid fund acts like a financial pit stop. It aims to provide liquidity and relatively stable returns while keeping your money readily accessible. So how should you use a liquid fund strategically? There are two situations where many investors find them particularly useful. The emergency buffer. Many investors choose to keep part or all of their emergency reserve in a liquid fund. The money remains separate for day-to-day spending, yet stays accessible when needed. The wait and deploy strategy. Suppose you receive a bonus, business income, or sale proceeds and are not ready to invest the entire amount immediately. A liquid fund can serve as a temporary parking place. From there, you can use a systematic transfer plan, STP, to gradually move money into equity mutual funds over time. The WealthWise Pinup Rule. Every rupee in your portfolio should have a job. Long-term money can focus on wealth creation. Short-term money should focus on liquidity and flexibility. A liquid fund can help your idle cash remain productive while it waits for its next assignment. For more mutual fund insights and compliance updates, follow M V Suresh WealthWise on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram.